What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I just got here to Quickshade. We're gonna tint these front windows up because they're bothering the crap out of me. So let's head on in and see what he's got to offer here. Alright, so we're in here at Quickshade. He's backing the Evo up to take into the shop. They got a nice little lounge area here. So he's going to do a tint match for me on my front two windows. And it's going to take him, he said, between 30 and 45 minutes. So we're just going to chill out here and get that done. And we might go see about chrome deleting the window trim. He said Wrap Effects right here next door can take care of that. So if they can do that here pretty quick, we might as well do both. So yeah, let's check that out. Alright, here's your final results. I think it came out great. So thank you, John at Quickshade. Everything matches up really nicely, so quite happy. Makes the front look so much cleaner. Car definitely looks like balanced now. So yeah, just quick little video on the little tinting. So if you need tint here local in Kansas City, Lenexa, Overland Park, Leawood, whatever, give John a shout out there. He did great work, and he's quite affordable. He uses the best quality products. So yeah, appreciate y'all tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.